Looking for easy ways to increase your efficiency when accessing various links and documents in Google Chrome and Drive? Check out these 3 tips and tricks to make Google work for you. Ever find yourself lost in a sea of tabs? Tab grouping is for you. With tab grouping in Chrome, you can organize your tabs by content, class period, or in any organizational structure that works for you. To group tabs, 2-finger click on a tab and select Add Tab to Group. From here, you can create a new group or add your tab to an already existing group.
1 0 0 1.
Once you have tab groups created, simply select the group to expand or consolidate the tabs. Expand a group to easily drag tabs to add them to the already existing group. Use the Priority tab in Google Drive to find files that Google suggests for you based on what you have recently accessed and based on times you regularly access a certain file. To view the suggested files, log into Google Drive and select the Priority tab. Keep in mind that priority space is based on a Google Drive algorithm. While you cannot choose what appears in priority, it is still a great place to quickly access documents you open every day at the same time for a team meeting or certain class. Use workspaces to add multiple Google Drive files from various locations and folders to one space, making them easy to find and use. Consider creating a workspace for each content area to streamline your navigation. You can even create a workspace for a particular period of time, such as a unit or project. To create a workspace, select the Priority tab in your Google Drive. Scroll to the bottom of the window to view the Workspaces area. Create and name your workspace. Add files you'd like to easily access to your workspace. Keep in mind there's a 25 file limit for each workspace. Keeping only the current files you are working on in the workspace and removing any past files will make it easy to navigate the files you need. You can always open a workspace to add additional files. Use the ellipses to make further edits, such as renaming, hiding, or removing your workspace. If you have questions about the Google Workflow tips and tricks shared, or are looking for additional efficiency strategies when using digital tools, reach out to your DLC for support.